Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. So today I wanted to share with you a prize that I have won. It was for the Christmas in July Ideas YouTube Hop, and it was hosted by Carolina's Creations Handmade, and there were 5 ladies participating in this hop. Let me see, it was Owl Make It Crafts, Sir Chauncey Rocco, Robin Pitts, Sybil B, and Biddy Bom Bom Elizabeth. Now, ladies, I know that the hop is over, but you know, it would be worth it to go watch just because they had some amazing ideas. This prize I won from Sir Chauncey Rocco, which is Robin Pitts, or I think it's Robin Pitts, Sir Chauncey Rocco. Either way, I'm going to put the link to her channel in the description box because she is an amazing designer. I mean, she does some beautiful, beautiful work. So I don't want to deprive anyone of watching, you know, her create something as beautiful as she does. So this is what I have won from her, and I wanted to you know, just come on here and show you what I have won. So she included a beautiful card, and it says friendship is a promise made in the heart, which is so I just thought that was so beautiful. And inside she just congratulates me for, you know, winning the Christmas in July YouTube Hop, and she hopes I enjoy her beauty products. Anyway, so this is just a beautiful little card. I love it. And this is amazing. You can tell she put some work in here. So this was her design, and look at that. This is a shaker. Look at that. And it is really, really sturdy, guys. This is massive. It's so much bigger than you know, it was to me in the video. So I'm going to measure it for you. So it is 5 inches wide by 6 1/4 inch tall. 6 1/4. And then wide. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. Isn't that gorgeous? So it is 4 inches wide. This is massive. So let's go from the top, or from the front. She made a shaker, and this paper is just gorgeous. So like I said, this is a shaker. She has lined the top and the bottom with this beautiful little lace, and then I'm assuming the lace itself had the pearls on there. If not, she put them on there. She may have put them on, I don't know. But then it's got these silk flowers in the center of each one. She's got one facing down, one facing up. And look at that. She's got trim right here for the hanging element of the ornaments. And she's got these cute little bows right on the front. And yeah, guys, this is gorgeous. Look at that background paper. Isn't that just amazing? And then the shaker bits. And let me try to get those. There we go. Kind of stuck there. But her shaker mix has, there we go. Her shaker mix has snowflakes, and it's got pink sequins, and it's got this lavenderish, iridescent, some clear, some gold. It is beautiful, and there's I see a iridescent snowflake here and there, and so it is gorgeous, guys. Oh, I wish y'all could see that. So that's the top, and then on the side she's got, I think it's the same, nope, it's a different trim right here on either side of the middle of the box, and then she put the same trim right over that, right in the center. She did use glitter paper for her background, which is gorgeous. And yeah, that is just, oh my gosh, look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the back. She cut a shape out of the, you know, out of the paper, and then she used that as a frame. And then look at this, look at that tree. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. And then on the side, this is the side, and we'll go over the side in just a little bit. That's the top view. And this is the bottom, guys. This is so pretty. You can see all the paper, and it says right here, handcrafted by Robin N. Pitts, Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. And look at that. Oh my gosh, that is just gorgeous. And I have to put her link in the description box because she's amazing. So on the side, she did a hidden closure, and this is the closure, and you just pull that out, and it is, you can feel it. It's on there with a magnet. So it stays nice and secure. So it is attached by a magnet. And then you open it up, and she's got that gorgeous paper. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So as you can see, it's got a box in here, and it's got 2 pockets right there. And this is filled with beauty products and pampering products. And oh my gosh, look at that, guys. Isn't that amazingly beautiful? Oh, I love that. Look at that. She continued the tree theme on the inside. And like I said, it's really thick. This is, I don't know how many layers of either paper or something, but it's got layers and layers just to make it nice and sturdy. So let's go through the box first. So it's so pretty. So this box lifts up, and again, she's got her stamp right there. And the box, it's got an acetate window. It's got this beautiful chipboard piece on the top as the bow, and then she cut out a very delicate, dainty frame for the top of the acetate window. She put this beautiful paper on the back with all the ornaments, and then she put some of that flat back pearl trim all around the inside. And then of course she covered the sides to match the top of her paper, and that is just gorgeous. Love that paper. And on the inside it is pink, and guys, it smells so good. And this is the inside. So this is she's got 2 sections, 2 boxes here, and the first one has bath bombs, and oh, they smell so good. So I'm gonna take these out, and I'm gonna show you. She took no shortcuts here. She went ahead and lined the inside of this box with this gorgeous lavenderish, purplish colored paper in it. And again, it's got, you know, Christmas words on there. So, and on this side, she put some nail polish, and that's, look, isn't that beautiful? It just matches everything. And then she put a foot scrub, Petty Scrub foot buffer, and yeah, who can't use that? That's awesome. And then on this side, she lined it as well, so they match. And even if you were to have it empty, how beautiful is that? Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. So she so she filled it. And yes, I hope she's watching, Robin. I am going to use this. I love it. It smells great. And thank you so much. I love it. Guys, I normally do not enter giveaways unless it's something that I really want. And usually it's handmade. And I did see this, and I was wishing this was the box that I would win, because it is gorgeous. I saw her when she put up her video, and oh, this is just I just can't believe how lucky I did get to win this box. It's beautiful. Guys, you know me, I like boxes and bags. So that's the way this side came. And then on this side, look at that. Believe in the magic. It's got this cute little banner. It's got some more trim around the front. It's got these cute little bows. I just love those little bows. And then it's got another little piece right here in the front with another little bow. And I like how the tree is just peeking out here at the corner. In this first pocket, she has got a wash off charcoal mask. Guys, I do masks all the time, and so yes, I will be using this, Robin. Thank you so much. And I love the way a mask will make your skin feel afterwards. Oh my gosh. And then she's got, these are going to go in my car. They're oil blotting papers, and I just love these. These are wonderful, guys. If you don't use these, oh, you should. Always keep one in your purse or your car or whatever. I carry a tiny handbag, so when I travel, I would, I carry those, but for every day, I just leave them in my car. And then she also included a manicure set, and it's got the clippers, it's got tweezers, it's got little scissors, I'm sure that's what that is, and it's got a nail file, and it's got its own little pouch. I love that. Yes, thank you so much, Robin. She knows what a girl needs. So this is so adorable. I love that. That's beautiful. It's all glittery silver, and that's just so cute. Thank you, Robin. So that was, oh, there's still more in that first pocket. Okay, and this is a okay, I took it out of the package so it didn't make so much noise. Okay, so this is a lavender fragrance sachet. Gosh, it smells so good. And look at the paper, guys. Even after the smell good is gone, we can still use this. Just trim it out and use it as a tag. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I hadn't thought of that till right now, so I just may do that after the scent is gone. That is because that's gorgeous. You know what? We could actually even just maybe just copy it with a color copier. Isn't that beautiful? Love that. Thank you, Robin. So that was in that very first pocket. Those 4 items were in that very first pocket. So the second pocket has a lip mask. Okay, so I've never tried one of these, and yes, I sure will. 3 hydrating lip masks. And yes, I am going to try this. I have wanted to try one for a while, but I just haven't had the time or made the time to go out and look for a lip mask. But yes, it's got this lip mask, a 3-pack of lip masks, and I am so excited because I wanted to try one. Yes, thank you so much, Robin. It's like she was listening to me on my, in my room. Every time my nephew and I start to talk about stuff, and this always comes up, a lip mask. So it seems like she was listening to everything that, all our conversations. So that was on the second pocket. So let me show you, let me move this out of the way so we don't get distracted with that. And so this is the other side of the box, and it's got, like I said, the 2 pockets. They're lined. All 3 of them have a bead trim, and this one has that beautiful Christmas paper, the Christmas tree paper, and this one has the ornaments on it, and it is just gorgeous. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. It is just gorgeous. And so you can, I don't know if you can see it there. I can see the magnet in there, and yeah, it just stays secure with that magnet. It's got several layers of paper to make it nice and sturdy, and I can't wait to display this in my living room, and because it is so gorgeous. I love it. Guys, I might do something with this because it's so pretty. I want everyone to see it. I may do something with it, alter it a little bit. The inside, I would not dare touch the outside, but I may I don't know, make a small album and put it in here, and put the extra pictures in here, and use this as a small photo album. I might do that, guys. If I do, I'll show you what I've done. Robin, thank you so much. You and the ladies did an amazing job during the hop. I appreciate all of you. Guys, I walked away with so many ideas, and hopefully you'll hop on over there. I'm going to try to link all of them, everyone's channel, in the description box. But for now, just know that this is amazing. It is gorgeous. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I just had to come on here and show you really quick. I've been really busy, but I wanted to come on here and show you really quick the prize that I won. Love it. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I will talk to everyone later. Have a great day.